Melania Trump made a comment this week. This instantly sparked a reaction in the room, not because it was meant to be funny, but because almost nobody seems to believe it the moment she said it. People laughed, and honestly, the response revealed something much bigger than just one awkward political moment. I'm Michael Corilla, and before we get to the clip itself, it's important to understand why the reaction happened so fast. What people witnessed as a direct clash between political messaging and year of public perception. Donald Trump did not accidentally build a reputation as a harsh or emotionally detached political figure. For many supporters, that image was part of the appeal for the very beginning. Over time, cruelty stopped being viewed by some as a flaw and instead became associated with strength, toughness, and authenticity. Phrases mocking empathy or dismissing compassion and weakness were not just joke online, they reflect a broader political mindset that rewarded aggression and treated emotional concern as something to ridicule. That attitude eventually shaped public policy and political rhetoric. Debates around cuts to social programs, immigration crackdowns, and aggressive foreign policy often carried the same underlying message. Emotions and compassion were obstacle to realistic decision making. Critics who object were frequently dismissed as overly sensitive or emotionally, reinforcing the idea that empathy itself was something to look down on. At the same time, Trump's communication style often created emotional distance from the human impact of policies or conflicts. Vulnerable communities became statistics, political opponents became enemies, and war was discussed in ways that sometimes sounded detached from human consequences. Whether people agreed with him or not, many viewers instinctively formed an impression over a year of watching these movements play out publicly. That's why the audience reaction to Melania comments happened so quickly. The statement collided with nearly a decade of widely observed behavior and public perception. People can argue over policy endless, but empathy is something all audience tend to judge emotionally and instinctively. After a year of seeing Trump mock critics, attack opponents, and speak in confrontational terms, attempts to steadily present him as deeply compassionate can feel difficult for many people to accept. In the end, that movement was not just about one line for Melania Trump, it was about the limits of political branding. Messaging can reshape headline, talking points, and narrative, but personality is harder to reinvent once people believe they already know who you are. And in the room, the reaction suggested that many had already made up their minds long ago.
Most know my husband as the strong commander in chief, but his empathy transcends the role and shape a caring leader who constantly remembers each and every American soldier is someone's child.
And there it was, the reaction in the room was not people laughing at a joke, it was people responding to something they simply did not believe. No matter what someone falls politically, Donald Trump has spent years showing the public a very consistent vision of himself, and in politics, people unusual trust repeated behavior more than carefully crafted messaging. That's why the response happened so fast. It wasn't confusion, it was recognition. The audience immediately understood the disconnect between the image being presenting and the reality that they were watched unfold publicly for a year. After nearly a decade of headline speeches, interviews, and public moments, many people feel they already know exactly who Trump is. So, when a completely different vision of him is suddenly introduced, does not feel convincing if it feels staged, and that instant disbelief is exactly what filled the room in that moment.